Hi, it's Lori Shearer with the Shearer team at Keller Williams Realty. I hope this message finds you well. And this is an invitation. Our Shearer team is going to be hosting a virtual happy hour next Wednesday, because you know Wednesday is hump day. It's going to be at 3:45 because everybody else waits till 5 o'clock to have a cocktail. We'd like to start early and we'd love to have you join us. It will be done via Zoom, and there will be instructions how to utilize Zoom if you're not familiar with it. And if you need further instructions, please call me 561-843-4464. Be more than happy to walk you through it because we'd love to have you join us. We're going to be giving away a gift card to a local restaurant so that we're able to support our local businesses here. And we look forward to seeing you. Let's make it fun. Let's make it connected. It's going to be short and sweet, but fun. Give us a call.